Hello everyone, we are the students of grade 12 here to do a skit on chemistry in daily life. Scene 1. Hydrolysis of sucrose. Character 1. Hydrolysis. Character 2. Sucrose. When sucrose sees hydrolysis, it tries to beat hydrolysis down. Hydrolysis gets angry and beats sucrose down. After falling down, sucrose forms two products: 1. Glucose, 2. Fructose. Hydrolysis of sucrose. When sucrose undergoes hydrolysis, it forms two products: glucose and fructose. Glucose is used to treat very low blood pressure, most often in people with diabetes mellitus. The primary use for pure fructose is sweetness. Fructose can be used to minimize lingering sweetness in some products. Character 5. Lactose. When lactose sees his friend sucrose fallen down, he tries to help him to stand up. But sucrose does not stand up at all. So, lactose decided to beat hydrolysis up. But when hydrolysis gets angry again, he beats lactose twice and makes him fall down. This time, lactose forms two products: 1. Glucose and 2. Galactose. Hydrolysis of lactose. When lactose undergoes hydrolysis, it forms two products: 1. Glucose and 2. Galactose. It is used in the study of diagnosis and treatment of hepatitis C, Wilson disease, etc. Character 1. Filling solution. Character 2. Reducing sugar. When reducing sugar sees filling solution's height, it goes around and sees up and down and tries to reduce the height of filling solution. Filling solution reduces and it cries. Reducing sugar sees his height and gets happy and walks away. The sugar which can reduce the filling solution is called as reducing sugar. For example, galactose, glucose, fructose, ribose, etc. Character 3. Non-reducing sugar. When non-reducing sugar sees the height of filling solution, it gets jealous and tries to reduce the height of filling solution. It tries, but it cannot. Filling solution laughs and non-reducing sugar goes away. The sugar which cannot reduce the filling solution is called as non-reducing sugar. For example, sucrose, trehalose and raffinose.